Look at her go. This vehicle is just a fun classic ride. And a thumbs up machine for sure. Hey y'all, I'm Rachel with Vigilante 4x4 and Jeep Heritage, and today you're gonna come enjoy a ride with me in this amazing and very rare bird, a Golden Hawk. Let's hit the road and have a chat. So this vehicle is just one of those very rare Jeeps that it's really fun to see come back to life. While most of you may know the Golden Eagle, this is the Golden Hawk. Very rare, slightly different decals, and you know, one of those things where they're not even quite sure how much they made because they never copied down the serial numbers of when they started and when they finished. And this vehicle is for our purists who just really love the most pure form of restoration and just taking that vintage vehicle and making it look like you just drove it off the lot. You don't miss the Golden Hawk flying down the road. You have that leaf suspension, which gives you that nostalgic feel on the road. This vehicle is up for grabs immediately. One of our very first clients when we started Jeep Heritage, which is our classic restoration, has brought this car back to us because he's ready for a Vigilante build. And so this car came back to us. And now I will plug in here. When this car came back to us, the option to upgrade it to a 5.7 HEMI or a full Vigilante build was not in the cards for us, but now it is. So if you're interested in a very rare Golden Hawk, but you want to juice it up a bit, let's have a conversation, because that could very well happen. A few things that stand out to me in this vehicle. First of all, the decal and exterior tones. It's just got a really beautiful earth tone, and when the sun hits that Bordeaux color, ooh, the depth in that paint is just gorgeous. And then of course on the inside you have the very classic Levi interior, which, I mean, who does not love that Jeep combo with the Levi interior? I absolutely love it. And then everything that's not the Levi denim is a very supple Italian leather. Dash, you have the steering wheel wrapped in that leather as well. There's so many pieces in here that are hard to find, that are new old stock, that my husband went deep diving in warehouses across the United States, you know, with his little head flashlight, looking for rare parts and pieces. You will find that in here. Things like the vent knobs for the vents that open on either side for airflow. The AC knobs here in the middle. The two components that were upgraded, we do have Bluetooth in here, so you have a Bluetooth device that you can hook up to play your music, your news, whatever it is you like to listen to. And under the hood on the engine, there's multipoint fuel injection. So better gas efficiency and more horsepower. And this beauty can definitely handle it. A lot of the Golden Hawks that you see, it's the original decals. So they're a little beat up, they're a little faded. And we totally redid the Golden Hawk decal on the outside, so it pops. It's really stunning. And there's something about looking down the hood of this vehicle and you just have that Golden Hawk just soaring in front of you all the way. The Golden Eagle and the Golden Hawk were magical that way. So if Jeeps are your thing, and rare Jeeps are your thing, and Jeeps restored to the highest standards are your thing, you should definitely connect with us about this vehicle. It's also very rare that we have something that's available immediately. You know, these restorations, they're done to such a high level and with such an immense amount of love, they take a while. And so to have one that's available almost immediately, of course we tune it, make sure everything is where it needs to be, and that it's in pristine, clean condition for the next owner. And I'll tell you, this vehicle is always a showstopper at your local Cars and Coffee. You know, because you just don't get to see them that often. And you definitely don't get to see them with so much love put into it. And if you want to learn more about this Jeep, hit that like or subscribe button and you'll get the notification of when my husband comes through with the deep dive into this Jeep, and he'll be covering things like what's under the hood and what makes it so unique. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for riding with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you love Jeeps as much as we do, please like or subscribe. Tell your friends, give us a follow. And if you have any questions, please put them below and come back for more Vigilante rides with Rachel.